Welcome to the Axure RP 10 and UX Design Core Skills course. Regardless of your background, I'm excited to have you join us. Axure RP 10 is a powerful tool for rapid prototyping, enabling the creation of prototypes, wireframes, mockups, and flowcharts with speed and efficiency. You can quickly gather feedback from users and stakeholders or pass your prototypes to developers for coding. It's a widely used tool in tech and internet companies globally. This course is structured into two main sections, Axure RP 10 and UX Design. In the Axure RP 10 section, you'll learn both basic and advanced operations, including dynamic panels, styles, interactions, components, functions, expressions, conditional logic, and repeaters. Practicing with various cases will help you master Axure's capabilities. By the end of the course, you'll be equipped to independently complete web and mobile projects. In the UX Design section, you'll gain essential skills in user research, the UX design process, information architecture, and UI specifications. When you enroll, you'll receive valuable resources like a Bootstrap 5 widget library, a business card app template, and various product and UX tools with icon sets. These resources will not only enhance your learning but can be applied directly to your projects. If you have any questions during the course, feel free to ask in the discussion section and I'll respond promptly. Don't wait, enroll now. I wish you success.